Wiggle. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. You did it! With ease. Look at you. Ooh. Oh, so close. Okay, start over. Let's show us what you could do. Ooh. Uh-oh. Nice try. Oh, he got you in the nose.
Yeah. What's that? Can you wiggle? Woohoo! Great job.